Fusing, and also Uncle Jet representing FRT and OBG. Thank you very much. Thank you teams. Thank you drivers. Thank you Sabah. Thank you Borneo. Next up, round 2, round 3. We'll see you guys at Miri, Sarawak, NDS Borneo, round 2 and final coming this August. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Alright, sekarang kita berada di Palinda Motorsport Park, Sabah. Kita ada FLMS team, iaitu dia proud owner Fishley Kingston in the house, and we have Longman Panjang Zokusha ZHM
Zaiham.
dia Zaiham. Kita ada Panda. Yeah, ini participant kita. Alright, Panjang nak tanya sikit lah.
Okay.
Hari ni ada apa sebenarnya?
NDS Borneo round 1.
So ni
Wow.
berdaging. So dengan kata NDS Borneo first time first of course lah, NDS ni baru lagi. Dan first time bertapak dekat Borneo. Dan the first sanction drift event dekat Sabah Sarawak ni.
Betul.
Mantap. Apa motif?
Motif dia adalah untuk kita memajukan sukan drift ni untuk ke arah lebih tinggi dan khususnya di Borneo.
Borneo
Yes.
Sebab saya rasa selama ni kita duk fokus dekat KL kan. Semenanjung. Kita tak tahu sebenarnya ramai bakat-bakat dekat sini sebenarnya.
Betul.
So kita kasih polish, lepas tu kita bawa dari Semenanjung. Mana tahu the next wakil Malaysia untuk keluar adalah daripada Sabah dan Sarawak.
Betul.
Mantap. So kalau korang nak buat wiring, korang nak buat stiker, ni
Zaiham.
Zokusha Harness Master dan Zokusha Stickers. Aku share dia punya nama, korang boleh like, follow, share dia punya Instagram dan apa-apa cari dia, kau gunakan kod promo Bulza Racing.
Zaiham.
Zaiham.
After the event, return balik to best lah.
Okay.
Okay. Return itu best. Make sure you check out. You dalam punya masalah.
Dia punya crossing zone daripada grandstand ke pulau. Dekat area mana kalau nak cross tu?
Actually, kalau mau cross, you actually di sini starting line memang ada marshal. So, sini punya marshal communicate dengan marshal lain. Make sure it's all bring.
So tepi ni lah.
Ya, di sini. Masuk dari sini.
Okay, we are with Elaine. Kita bersama Elaine. So Elaine ialah administration untuk NDS Borneo Sabah. So how's the task so far? Task. How's your task? Look at that. So all this semua document has been prepared by Elaine, assisted by our CD competition director Jasman. So how do you like it?
Fun,
right? Something new, right?
I've learned a lot.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's more now is with all the sanctioning involved. It's more proper, documented.
Yes.
Everything is
We
documented.
got a proper procedure.
Yeah. So reason is to highlight NDS Borneo drivers because they need to be highlighted and they need to be appreciated lah.
Yep.
Because to me, everyone from the behind the scene to the drivers to the crew to whatnot kena highlighted because they done so much work.
Yeah,
So we need to appreciate them. So big thank you, Elaine. Yay.
Support Apex Drive.
Yeah, Apex Drive. Okay guys, dia also drifter. Elaine is a drifter also.
This wall is memorable.
Yes, nanti tengok wall, the Palinda wall. Okay guys, sekarang tengah re-registration. Pada masa sama kita dah buat one off license untuk driver yang tak ada license MM. So dia doktor buat dari sini tengah buat licensing. Dan dia team track owner, owner Palinda Motorsport. Dia owner. Dia pun bertanding. Macam mana okey
Okay.
Kereta all good?
Good.
Yeah, ready to smoke the track tapi hujan. Banjir sikit, so kita tengah hold track. So kita punya competition director making sure registration is going well. Yeah. So all EAR, OWS team, Hanif. So lady driver, Esther. Hi. Loxley. Yes. All set. Are you ready? Let's go. This Hanif, that one is also Hanif. So salah satu bagusnya facility Malinda Motorsport Park ni, dia ada tempat macam kafe lah, lepak-lepak. Uncle Jet. Uncle Jet di mana-mana. Hari tu kat Salam, ni kat Sabah.
Tak di mana-mana.
Di mana-mana. Sherwin. Sup, Sherwin. He is ready to win.
Okay, is driver ready? Sunday! One NDS versus 35OZ for lady. Uncle D versus Fishy. A little bit gap. Oh!
Okey, dia acah je tu. Jangan panik, jangan panik. Uncle Ding seorang drifter yang berpengalaman, dia acah-acah. Okey guys, tepuk tangan untuk Fishley.
Yeah!
Nampak tak? Dia menunjukkan semangat walaupun antara drifter yang baru, dia full committed. Dia percaya Uncle D akan buat line yang terbaik. He trusted him and he did that. Wow, big hands for Fishley.
From FLMS.
Itu dia Uncle Ding. Uncle Ding menunjukkan kenapa dia seorang cikgu, seorang sifu, seorang sikong. Betul
Ya.
Betul. Are you ready? Mantap. We are ready. The fans are ready. The judges ready. The track is clear. Marshal's ready. The starting marshal is ready, and we are set to go. This is the final of NDS Borneo Round 1, brought to you by Suzuka Lubricants and Cosmis Wheels. All right, let's go. Full set, here we go. Anson to lead, Uncle D to chase. Top qualifier versus Uncle D now. Right there, wow, good entry. Can he save it?
Nice pressure.
Oh, tapping the wall.
Uncle D.
He taps the wall. Uncle D right there. And now Uncle D looks like a bit of a correction, maybe not. But let's go. He's right there doing his best run. Cantik lead run daripada Anson. Dan cantik juga daripada Uncle Desmond. Oh, mengekalkan proximity. Cantik attacking. Wow. Make some noise.
Come on.
Sikit.
Malinda Motorsport Park. Make some noise.
Wow.
Please. Sunday.
Itu dia. Now, Anson, yes, good
Yes.
pressure.
Good gap.
Wow.
By Anson to the Uncle D.
Wow!
Oh! Yeah.
Whoa! Wow. What happened to Uncle D? Somewhat he knows that he is under pressure. So close, yet so far. But all in all, Uncle D, congratulations. You are awesome. Sangat awesome, Uncle D. Memastikan dia sentiasa on his A game. Korang bayangkan Uncle D ni dia terpaksa prepare banyak kereta dalam tim dia. So, bila praktis dia tak ada masa. Tapi tengok, walaupun praktis yang minimal, beliau tetap berada di mana?
Di Podium.
Final. Yeah, big hands to Anson Tan, the traveler. Thank you kita. Semua orang happy di bawah sana. Gui Fusing happy sebab kereta dia perform. Uncle Jet tengah menangis. Nangis kegembiraan. OBG! 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 Yeah, buddy! All right, so a proud founder, teacher, instructor of OBG Drift Academy. So, how do you feel?
I think right now a bit speechless lah. Back to back. Last week Anson was champion for the NDS Light, and then now he was on the podium. And then I really it is unexpected that he's in the podium and he's the champion, especially against the very experienced driver, Uncle Desmond. Really proud of him.
Of course, who will not be proud if your student is on the podium back to back? Make some noise for that. Okay, you gotta stay here. You're gonna present the novice category. Wow, first time guys aku tengok Esther beraksi. Ya, Sarawak boleh. Okay, kejap, foto. Group foto. Ya, Sarawak winners. Dua Sarawak, dua Kuching, dua Miri. Okay. Say cheese. All right, ladies and gentlemen, terima kasih. Thank you very much. Thank you, Sabah. You have been awesome for the past 2 days. NDS Borneo round 1 comes to an end. Big thank you to everyone that showed up today. You guys are amazing. Full house here in Borneo, Palinda. Palinda Waterspoort Park, I'm sorry. So big thanks, big shout out to FRT and OBG for co-organizing here with the club. Thank you everyone, supported by Retro Havoc and also KBS. Not forgetting, it's a sanctioned event, Motorsport Association of Alright, ini dia team that's making it happen here in Sabah. Hussein and also Uncle Jet representing FRT and OBG. Thank you very much. Thank you teams. Thank you drivers. Thank you Sabah. Thank you Borneo. Next up, round 2, round 3. We'll see you guys at Miri, Sarawak, NDS Borneo, round 2 and final coming this August. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Love you all. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.
Alright guys, it's a wrap. Sorry tak banyak konten pasal event ni, tapi stay tune untuk Zaso punya video. Pinjam sikit video daripada dia. It's a wrap. It's a successful one. Big thanks to everyone that supported us. We've got Jay-Z in the house.
MEM.
Yeah, MEM, look at that. Jangan main-main lepas ni.
3D.
Okay, Zaso in the house. We've got Jasman from EMC making it all happen here. And look at that, team FRT x OBG. What a great result, what a great event. We got Anson Tan, top qualifier, and also finishing first. And we've got Uncle Ding securing second place. What a final. And then third place, yes, sorry, how could you forget? Third place is the owner of this place. You tak ada itu owner, you tak ada any track. You tak ada any track, you tak ada any event. So guys, big thanks to you guys. And taking fourth place, FLMS owner, Fish Lee. Make some noise. Yeah, second place, of course, Uncle D. How could you forget him? Because he is the one of the drivers that makes drifting in Sabah boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. We got Miji in the house. Thank you very much for coming. This is Miji Kang from South Korea. She did well, very good. I hope to see you guys in the next round.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
I'll see you in Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yes,
Yeah.
Indonesia. WDC. Stay tuned next 2 weeks. All right, cool.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. Appreciate it.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. All right, guys, that's it. That's a wrap for me. Bullseye Hamdan Channel. Terima kasih kepada yang menonton. Thank you for liking and sharing and subscribing this page. Don't forget to hit the bell. Bila kau hit the bell, you know what I'm saying, right? Korang akan dengung-dengung, your phone got notification, and that's Bullseye Hamdan Channel up on your notification. Thank you, Adib in the house, Zaso, and the rest of the team. Full send. Let's go. NDS. Assalamualaikum. Okay guys, hari ni mungkinlah hari kita nak balik KL lah. So yang aku nak cakap Fatki tu, tu dia guys. Fatki. Yes. Apa tu Fatki? Jom kita layan. Datang KK, tak pergi Fatki, tak sah. Memang padu. Jom. Ini dia guys, Fatki Restaurant Fish Noodle. Dia punya fish noodle, I tell you guys, memang padu, mantap. Kalau korang tak percaya mantap tak mantap, kita tanya Jasman. Man, padu tak padu Fatki ni?
Padu.
Padu kan?
Padu terpadu.
Ni antara orang-orang yang sedap sangat ke? Sekarang aku dah bawa, sekarang dia pun kata sebelum balik
hari nak bagi.
mesti mau Fatki. Nampak? Tu yang duduk kat belakang tu, baju putih tu, itulah owner dia, Fatki, nampak? Apa pun, thank you to Abang Pusing kita. Sekarang ni dia dah tahu dah. Kalau aku datang sini, hari-hari aku kat sini mau okey.
Memang restoran Zai.
Yes. Fat Zaiki lepas ni. Okay guys, korang tengok. Tak boleh tahan. Kenapa aku suka pergi sini? Sebab fresh ikan dia and very tasty. You guys should come and check it out.